Hey guys, Mr. Steeler Dude 43, go Steelers, subscribe. Yes, I'm going to show you a video today from one of my friends. Before you watch this, go to NFL Man 618. When he sneezes and when he laughs, it's the most funniest thing ever. So I filmed it with my iTouch here at school today. And there's two videos, very funny each one, but I'm going to only show you the first one. The second one's funnier than the first one. But yeah, so go to his channel and watch both of them. I uploaded them today on his channel. So go to his channel and watch both of them. So yeah, here I'm going to show you this video right here. There you go. What the? Okay. Yeah, so subscribe to me, NFL Man 618, both Steeler fans. So yeah. So subscribe, yeah. There's David again.